Oh, hey guys, how are you? We're gonna go. We're going on a journey today, so get in the car. Let's go. Yo, bitch! Wake up! Okay, guys, shower time. See you soon. Good morning! Hi guys, I'm so hungover, I can't even tell you. She may have had one too many last night. Anyway, today we're going to Springbrook waterfalls. If you saw the last waterfall in the last video, you'll have seen that it was quite a small waterfall. This is a very big waterfall. What are you saying, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah. As I said, I'm a little bit tender this morning. I did realize in the last video, it was like Wobble Brigade. That's because I got a new phone and I don't know how to do the settings. So today we're going to be filming on a GoPro with the drone to get some cool shots for you guys, and with the phone for these. Hopefully the stability will be a little bit better. I'm really sorry for that, guys. Anyway, we gotta go. I need to get a coffee in this body, or I ain't gonna make it. Let's go, boo. Boo, boo, boo. Right.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Hey guys, so we are almost here. We've been driving for an hour now. We just stopped to do some drone shots of the dam and almost lost the drone. But it's really cool.
It came back.
It came back. It has a little return home function. Quick question, if any of you own a DJI Maverick Mini, when they come home, do they come back at the altitude which you went to, like the highest altitude, or do they just come home and like potentially hit a tree? We don't know. We need to know. Drop in the comments below. Anyway, we're gonna stop just before we get to Springbrook waterfall because there is Warrumborough. Is it Warrumborough? I'm sure it's Warrumborough.
Yeah, let's go with that.
I'm British, I'm probably saying it wrong, but there is a lookout here where we're gonna take some drone shots for you guys, and then
And then we'll do the walk.
we'll do the walk, bro. We'll do the walk. Hopefully much more stable than the last time. Okay, peace out. Peace up. See you soon. Bye, bye, bye. Hey guys, so we're here. Sam, come on. Hey guys, we finally made it. It's such a beautiful place here. Sam was just reading about the drop. It's like a 300-meter drop, is it?
100-meter drop.
Can we exaggerate it? It's like it was like 300 meters, like 100. But still, 100 meters is quite big.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful down there. Let me see if I can get you a shot of the drop. I don't know if you can see that, but if you did, yikes. Now we're gonna go all the way down to the bottom of that waterfall so we can take some more footage, brah. Hope you're enjoying. We're in the rainforest, brah. How you doing, Sam?
How are you doing?
I'm okay. I'm walking backwards right now.
Very dangerous. The ground's very wet.
Yeah.
So Gareth, you
Go
looking
back.
forward to seeing your wiggly friends on the ground getting on your boots?
The leeches. I hate them. Yeah, so another fun fact of walking through the bush is there are leeches on the floor, and they do attempt to get you, the little bastards. But get yourself some sturdy boots, like so the little fuckers can't get in, and you should be good. I know I'm wearing white and I'm on a bushwalk. It's probably the most stupidest decision in the world, but listen guys, you gotta look good, honey, you know? What's the point? You can't wake up on fleek and then not put good clothes on, so I'm sorry about it. Today she's doing white in the rainforest. Here she is. Just taking footage. This is probably going to be the most peaceful vlog we have ever done. Like every vlog we've discussed doing involves activities, involves adrenaline, but as we said before, coronavirus is kind of yeah, it has, but luckily for us, you can now go 150k outside of your house, which is cool. So pretty soon we should be able to start doing fun stuff. Sam, put your bees up. So if you were looking for a recommendation on a hike, this is probably a medium hike, so it could take you up to 2 hours. If you're quite fit and active, I don't pretend to be fit and active, but if you know, are quite healthy, you could probably get this done in about 45 minutes. The probably 2 hours is to take in all of the surroundings and the scenery and the stops along the way. But yeah, there is quite a lot of steps, and it is quite steep because obviously you've got to get down 100 meters and back up 100 meters. So just bear that in mind. If that seems like it might be a little bit too much, just watch the video, bro. That's the whole reason we did this. So people could enjoy it. Or they could enjoy it like we enjoy it. So this is like the second time that we have done this, and the first time it just took my breath away. Like, it was just so stunning. So only made sense that we had to do it again and capture it on film. And I know the last one was a bushwalk. We promise the next video will not be a bushwalk. So much to see.
Get out to the water.
To the water. Yeah, we are planning on doing the barrier reef as well. And where else?
Sunshine Coast.
Oh, Sunny Coast, because I haven't been there yet.
And hoping we can do some Tangalooma Island and whatnot.
Some islands. Okay, it's on. We've been walking for 10 minutes.
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing. And you don't even know I exist. You have got me on your hit list. And you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad. And now you got this on your conscience. Because now I'm unresponsive.
Okay guys, so we are halfway to the bottom now. And then we'll be able to get the golden moment of this entire vlog, which is gonna be the waterfall. What you saying, Sam? You excited? Woo. Just enjoying the view, she says. Hopefully you're getting a more stable view than the last one at Mount Tambourine.
Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the fright, the fright. Survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. One worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening.
We made it. We are here.
I'd sell my soul to take you home.
Side note, make sure you bring some insect repellent because you will get bit, bro. I've been bit to shit today. I'm only got my hands showing and I've got 4 bites already. Little bastards.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now.
Dora, how are you?
I'm not backing
It's starting to get buggered. It's still raining,
the future.
but it's still beautiful out here. That brings us to an end of Springbrook. We got three drone shots in this shoot, bro. Like, nah, they're gonna be sick. As I said, this is more of a viewing nature, walking kind of vlog. So if you like bushwalking, you're gonna probably love it. We'll throw some good music on there, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And we'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace out. Bye, people. See you soon. Stay safe. Don't get too drunk. Stay free of corona. All that goodness. Bye, 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 bye.